In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your IP address on TunnelBear VPN. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TunnelBear VPN app or program on your computer. And once you are here, go ahead and turn on the VPN here by toggling this button on. Now to change your location, you can see currently I've been using this Cyprus as my current location while I'm in Kenya, but I'll wish to change this location. To do so, first go ahead and click on this globe, and this will give you the available locations that you can switch to. For instance, I'll wish to change my IP address to France, so I'll just go ahead and click on the country I'll wish to switch to, and that will go ahead and make the change. And now you can see I'm told I've switched the country, and TunnelBear is reconnecting to France. And now look at that, this is my new location and I have the notification here. So that's how you can change your IP address on TunnelBear VPN. So you can change these locations as many times as you wish, and this switch will happen instantly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.